Hey guys, are your Nike Air Force Ones looking a little less than fresh? Anyone can easily wipe off surface dust and debris, but what about those condition issues such as deep scuffs, marks, and soiled linings that just don't come out with cleaner? I'll be answering all those questions and more so that you can keep your streetwear looking brand new and ready to wear. Hey guys, my name's Evan and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. Today we're going to resurrect our sneakers by using my 3C's method, and I guarantee that if you do so, both your shoes and your wallet will thank you later. Let's get to it. First things first, go ahead and remove any excess dirt or debris, and then we'll remove our laces. After that, go ahead and grab your favorite sneaker cleaner. I'll leave mine in the description below. You just want to make sure that you're not using common household products like dish detergent or all-purpose cleaners. Trust me, those will damage your leather over time, causing it to dry up, crack, and crease more easily. Although I recommend using a horsehair brush, you can also use a clean toothbrush as well in order to get in all those nooks and crannies. If you don't have anything else, a microfiber cloth will do the job just fine. Pro tip, remember to wipe off your sneakers as you go so you're not rubbing dirt into your leather, creating marks or further scratches. Go ahead to each side of your shoe until it's pearly white once again, and if you come across any stubborn marks or stains, stick with me until the very end because guys, I have a magic weapon up my sleeve. If you happen to find some dirt doesn't come off with your brush, go back over it once more with a hard object covered by your towel and some more cleaner. Use firm to hard pressure on rubber and gentle to firm pressure on leather. This should do the trick, but if not, you'll definitely need my secret weapon coming right up. A majorly neglected portion of the shoe is the sneaker lining, and boy does it show its dirt and grime when it's made of white materials. Thankfully, we can also use our sneaker cleaner all throughout the shoes, both inside and out. Give it a rub-a-dub-dub to join the sneaker cleaning club. Little things like loose threads can make your shoes look like they're falling apart. Simply tie them off and snip them away. On top of that, white laces can seriously make your sneakers look old and grimy, but thankfully they can clean up super easily with just a little bit of cleaner and a good old rinse. Take your time lathering it up, and once you're done, rinse them well and run them through a dry cloth to absorb any excess moisture. On to conditioning. I've tried all types of white leather dyes and at-home solutions, but literally when I tried this, everything else was just a waste of time. This product releases a thin layer of white solution that can cover any and all marks to make your drab shoes go from worn to wow. Seriously, but I'll let you be the judge. Let me know what you guys think below. If any of you have yellowing soles caused by oxidation, you probably know the pain it takes to use those reverse oxidation products to bring them back to icy white soles. But if you want a shortcut, you can easily cover them up with products like these. And if you do it right, it can have the exact same results. If you guys have used anything like Sole Bright or Sole Revive on your yellowing soles, let me know how it turned out below. Whenever I've tried it, it just came back right away. And guys, this white touch-up is not just for your rubber midsoles, it's also for your leather and your fabric lining. And when it comes to your leather, if any marks don't get covered with the first pass, which oftentimes they don't, simply create as many layers as needed. It dries super quickly, which makes quick work for your shoes. We are almost done. Let's go ahead and get our laces back on. So far, this is looking amazingly. Last but not least, let's make sure to conserve our sneakers. The best way to do so is to properly fill out your leather so that they maintain their shape and reduce creasing. Also, make sure you always leave your shoes in a well-ventilated area for at least a day before putting them away to promote drying as well as to prevent odors from bacteria. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that this video provides you with insane value and enables you to better steward your sneakers. Sure, doing all of this will make your shoes look great, but more importantly, it will bring value back to your sneakers as well as literally make them last longer. So guys, remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it with some family and friends. There are so many different types of leather out there, from smooth to patent to suede, and they all have to be treated differently. So how do you take care of your suede sneakers? Watch this video next to better love your leather.